Hello, welcome back, you guys. Good afternoon. This is Diamond Rose. Hi to my newcomers. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the Diamond Squad. And all you current subscribers, thank you guys for coming back, my Diamond Squad. Let's get on to the company of the day. It is, in this video at least, Litigation Management Incorporated is the name of the company, and the job role for this company is provider entry support. And this is a remote position starting at $15 an hour to $16 per hour. It's a full-time job position, once again, and it's remote. You choose hours between 7:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Litigation Management is looking for provider entry support workers to work remotely. This person contributes to the record collection process and preparation of LMI's work product by identifying all potential holders of records from legal and non-legal documents and entering them into the system in accordance with client needs and expectations. Critical thinking will be key in this role. You must have a computer or laptop as well as a second screen. Work from home opportunity adds cash back in your pocket. Flex Jobs estimates WFM work from home saves you up to $4,000 per year. Be sure to check your spam folder within a week for an email to initiate a phone screen. Essential job functions, functional technical responsibilities. Review in detail legal documents, medical records, employment records, billing records, insurance records, military records, and other government records to identify all potential entities that maintain records for a specific individual. Verify provider information through a limited internet search. Accurately enter the provider's name, address, department, and specialty into the database in accordance with procedures and project parameters. Accurately update the system for providers regarding or requiring redirection. Verify all dates, stamp references are in the correct format, and edit when necessary. Identify and flag providers who are key and are pertinent in the litigation in accordance with project parameters. Education, high school diploma required, associate's or bachelor's degree preferred. Preferred qualifications, 2 to 4 year degree in a health-related field, legal profession, research or business field preferred. Minimum of 1 year experience in the office setting. Experience, skills, and abilities. Heavy systems and computer skills. High proficiency in Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel, especially important. Clerical, data entry, or document review experience is preferred. Accurate data entry skills. The ability to read and understand medical records, decipher handwritten notations, analytical and creative reasoning skills. Detail-oriented research and investigative skills. They are hiring. They didn't say for how many candidates, but placing the application. They just posted this job today, you guys. So that's one of the jobs that I have for this video. You guys can get into. It's with this company called Litigation Management Incorporated, and it's a remote position starting at $15 to $16 per hour full time. And the job role, once again, is provider entry support at the entry level position. Now, the second job that I have for this video is called MetisPro. The company is called MetisPro, and the job role for this position is remote technical support representative, point of sale, POS, and it's a full-time job work from home position. And the qualifications for this job is technical support from 1 year is required, high school diploma or equivalent preferred, customer service from 1 year preferred. And the benefits for this job is dental, health, and vision insurance and paid time off. And this is the full job description of this job. It goes as this. Quantic is a cloud-based point-of-sale system solution company based in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, We are looking for a remote full-time contract or salaried technical support representative who can communicate with clients and troubleshoot point of sale issues, including basic network connectivity issues. The candidate should be flexible to work on either Saturday or Sunday if needed. Additional responsibilities for this position includes management of the customer support quote, phone, email, or text, work with the team to improve the support process, and ensuring tickets are resolved with a solution and root cause. Monitoring and managing the SLA for the support requests. Software point of sale programming, communicating with clients, understanding point of sale reports, assisting in remote point of sale installs, assisting technical documentation. And once again, the start pay is $15 to $20 per hour. Per hour. As scheduling will be listed in this order. It'll be an 8-hour shift Monday to Friday, on call, and weekend availability. And once again, the high school or equivalent is preferred, not required. Experience is here once again. Customer support 1 year preferred, and technical support 1 year required. And this job is very, very, very good. It's an entry level position job for tech support. So if you want to get into the tech field and want to get your feet wet and you want to try to get into that field and and work there, you can apply at MetisPro. It could be a start for you. It's $15 an hour. It's a great salary for a beginner for an entry level position. So if you think you will be able to muster it and get into it, and you're a tech person, tech savvy person, this is the right job for you. Apply and Indeed, and I will leave the description of this job down below and of the job link. They're hiring for one candidate and they're urgently hiring, and it is posted this today. So that'll be all for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys keep on going. Don't let anybody deter you from your goals, your aspirations. Keep on praying, keep on just doing what you're supposed to do for yourself and for your family. If you are a family person, you have children, or if you just want to do more for the community or for the world by being working in tech. If someone's like having a technical issue, they call you, you can show humility and help them. I mean, this is a perfect job for you. I mean, you can make a person day by helping them 1,000%. I'm pretty certain of that when it comes to a job such as tech. I've been in that field myself, and it is a great position. So that'll be all for this video, you guys. Hopefully this is a big help. Smash that like button, smash that notification bell, and smash that subscribe button if you are brand new to my channel, and leave a comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Remember to keep on going, you diamonds. Get a piece of your work from home pie, and let's get it. Talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.